Today I am going to cover how to use in-app notification for likes, comments at everyone tag in communities. This is a cool new feature in Go High Level. In-app notification for the following events. New member requested to join a group. Group joining request approved. Group joining request declined. Group joining request received. Paid group access revoked. New courses available in group. New member joined public group. First, go to Go High Level sub account. Then click membership link. Next, go to communities. Here you can create a new group or you can use the existing group. In this video, I am using the existing group. Just click on login. It will open a new page where you can see discussion, learning, people tab. Just click people tab where you can see the active member list by default. You can change the drop down to see the different list. Here requested, invited, here different results you can see. You can invite members also. Click invite button and send a request to them. Now invitation request is sent. I won't check this email. Here I receive the invitation. Now I am clicking the invite button. Now member is added here. Now a new member is added here. Here you see the new member is added here. Next, go to discussion tab. Here I am going to post some test content to everyone. I am putting this message to mastermind channel. Let's click on this post. It is coming here now. Here you can like and you can comment also. You can see the notifications here. This is the way you can use in-app notification for like, comments at everyone tag in communities. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.